EcoStep. Step to power a sustainable energy solution through piezoelectric innovation under the theme of Waste to Energy, Innovate for a Greater Future. Our school, SMAP KAJANG, was founded in 1989, having around 740 students and 62 teachers, located at Bayt 13 Jalan Stras 43000 KAJANG, Selangor, Malaysia. These are our teammates, Salwa Fariha, Alicia Maisara, Nur Zahir Rania, Putri Sofia Kisina, and our beloved mentor, Cikgu Mahadi Binti Mahat. So, the problem statement is first of the constant blackout. Why? It disturbs daily life. Secondly, is about the unused recyclable materials which take a large amount of space in landfills. Thirdly, are the undereducated students which are not exposed to the real-world consequences of energy misuse. So, these are the cause-effect chain of the negative impacts of the problems I've stated earlier. So, what's the solution? We need to deploy piezoelectric tiles, or called as EcoStep, in high-traffic areas in school. So, with this, the system can generate supplementary electricity. So, this is our sketch. First, we have the first layer having electrodes and electrodes. Secondly, the piezoelectric ceramics, and lastly, the tile casings which wrap everything up. And these are going to go to the batteries. So, how does it work? Firstly, people step on tile. Pressure deforms the piezoelectric layer. Secondly, the mechanical energy is turned into electrical energy. The current is collected, and then the energy is stored in a battery to be used. So, the methodology. Firstly, we have the outer shell made of recycled plastic, the piezoelectric layer made from piezoelectric ceramics or recycled electronics. Thirdly, we have the electrodes, which collect the energy charge. Lastly, we have the energy storage, in which is a small rechargeable battery. So, these are the estimated project costs. We estimated that the total cost will be 31 ringgit and 45 cents. We first have the tile casings, which are from recycled plastic, bottles, packaging waste, which do not require any money at all. Secondly, are the piezoelectric tiles, which is 0.45 ringgit a unit. Thirdly, the electrode materials, in which we use copper sheets of oil. The wiring, and which is 12 ringgit per unit, and the rechargeable batteries plus holder. So, what's the impact? First, it reduces the electricity cost. Secondly, it minimizes the power outage impact during blackouts. Thirdly, it promotes recycling among students and the communities. And lastly, it promotes an educational value because it can foster more thoughtful behavior around electricity use.